Okay guys, so welcome to another YouTube channel. Uh, Today we are doing an M4 competition convoy. Right now we at the link up. Currently we at the garage, so it's just me and this guy. But everyone else is gonna pull through as we continue with the game. So yeah, bro, let's go. Yeah, I don't know where we're going, but why you stopping me, bro? Okay. As you can see, it's just the two of us right now. But it's an online group, so you will see more participants in like different cars and the BMW M4. Anyway, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys, for more videos so I can know that what I'm doing is right, you know? Yeah. And also, what do you think about like my M4? Mine is the black one. Yes, sir. Anyway, I wanna like start doing modifications on cars, and tell me if you want those too, guys, so that I can provide that. This is car parking multiplayer, by the way. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Sometimes I'll be driving in real life like I'm driving on car parking multiplayer. It's just so sad because it's not the M4 competition. I just imagine myself driving one because I'm a best the pipes. And I make sure the down pipes are best. Yeah. Anyways, you can see there's that like the Golf 7R. But he pulled up with the wrong car. Also, maybe we will try, but the next video will be like McLaren and what else? Maybe a Bugatti and a Rolls Royce. Yeah, I'm thinking we go back. But on this channel, why did like everybody come with like the Golf 7? Like, I don't know. I don't know. But I think maybe it wasn't a private room. Actually, it wasn't a private room because everyone was just pulling up with their ideal car. But yeah, if you know me, you know I'm a fan of BMW. But lately I'm a fan of Benz. Hey, I'm a fan of Benz lately. So we're chilling, yeah. This guy wants to buy my car for 50 Ain't no way I'ma sell it. Ain't no way. Like, why would you? I know my car is dope, but it's not for sale. And I got more money than that anyway. Like 50 is nothing to me, bro. Please, can I buy your car for 50 No fucking way. Ain't no way you buying my car. It's not for sale. One thing about this online bros, sometimes they will annoy you. Because I initially told him it's not for sale, and he's now pushing me. Cause why are you pushing me, bro? Why are you pushing me? But it is what it is. This guy with the Golf 7R wants to join us. But should just switch cars. Add me, bro, and switch cars. Anyway, there are no plates at this car. But yeah, tell me how it looks, guys. Is it fresh? Do I need to upgrade it more? Should I change anything? The rim? Like, yeah. But I'm gonna drop a modification on the info and how I made it this way. If you can see, I dropped it on like the thing, the suspension. I made it like a stance, cause stance is like act like you didn't see that here. Anyway, the game I was using there, I don't know which one was it, but I now upgraded it. And I'm not using the same mod. But right now we're heading to house 1, okay? For the car meet. The car meet is now at house 1. So everybody who wants to like link up should come to house 1. They all know where house 1 is. If you played this game, you know where house 1 is. Because there's house 2, there's the penthouse, and there's the mansion. I'm thinking of buying the mansion, man. But you have to subscribe for me to buy the mansion. You have to subscribe. If you ain't subscribing, I won't buy the mansion. And it's like the biggest house on car parking multiple. Very expensive. It's like 2 billion rands. I don't even have that money. But if you subscribe enough, I could have that money and we could buy it. But yeah, you see this M4. The M4 is fast, bro. Very, very fast. Yeah. Why did I crash my car like that? But it's slippery here, that's why. It's very slippery. Yeah. Welcome to the crib, guys. We finally arrived. This is the crib. Millionaire's house. Mansion. Okay, this is also a mansion, but it's a bigger one. A billionaire's mansion. This one is a millionaire mansion. So yeah, let's wait for other players because the car meet is at house number 1. And also, if you want the tour of the house, you can tell me. I can give you all a tour of the house. But if you watch the previous video of the Range Rover convoy, you will see that we were at this house, and I gave the tour, even though it was a short one. So if you see properly, the cars that are coming for the car meet. I'm thinking they're driving M4s, but I don't know. But we'll see as they arrive. Okay. So yeah. So do make sure you like, share, and subscribe, guys. Because I do this content for y'all. This is the interior, by the way. It's the M4 latest full spec class. I think it's carbon fiber also, I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, that guy should arrive by now. Should have arrived by now. I don't know. Hey. Or is he in the garage? Maybe I didn't see. Let me open the garage. Oh, he just arrived. But this is the other one. Because that one drove like a blue M4. This one is like a yellow one. But yeah. Anyway, I'll be dropping the part 2. So guys, please make sure you like, share and subscribe. And also, if you want my ID on car parking multiplayer, I'll drop it on the more info, so that maybe we can connect and cook something. Yeah.